Alam niyo ba na ang tinapay ay isa sa pinakasikat na pagkain sa mundo? Ang tinapay rin ay kinikilala bilang one of the world's oldest foods. At dahil isa ring staple food ang tinapay, pwedeng-pwede itong iserve o kainin at any meal of the day. Kagaya na lamang ng mga tinapay sa Dutch Bread House na ito. Ang mga simpleng tinapay na ito, nagiging katakam-takam na sandwiches. Para sa mga mahilig sa maanghang, ang buwan na ito pwedeng gawing spicy braised chicken. From plain ciabatta bread to chicken shawarma sandwich. Kung meaty lover naman kayo, available ang brujibal o meatball sandwich sa mga Dutch. And of course, available din ang sandwich para sa mga health conscious, ang healthy sandwich na may ham, cheese, lettuce, and cucumber. Take note, pwedeng mag-iba-iba ang mga tinapay ng sandwiches ayon sa inyong nais. At dahil Dutch Bread House nga ito, nakakasiguro kayo na authentic Dutch bread ang lahat ng yan. Dahil lahat ng tinapay dito, gawa ng kanilang Dutch Master Baker. Para mapanatili ang fresh sa mga tinapay dito, alas 3 ng umaga araw-araw kung mag-bake itong si Baker Martime.
We start here every morning early to make fresh bread for the bakery. Just busy with my maize dough, one of our best sellers in the shop. We make everything ourselves. I have all my recipes from Europe. I just check my dough if it's finished. It's releasing oil.
Okay.
I just spray a little bit on the table. I'm making maize bread now. We scale them 2,400 grams and we divide them in 30 pieces, so it's 80 grams a roll. So now we let it rest for a couple of minutes, so they'll get its rest, and then we make the final shape and we put them on the plate. The yellow one, this is mace. It's just for decoration. Looks nice, and it gives a nice crispy layer on the top. Now we get our special plates. So you find the dough, you can leave over the plate, and then we put it in the machine. And then I get 30 nice rounds. Put this in the prover now, so it can prove there for a longer time, and over an hour and a half I can bake it. We wait for an hour, something like that, and then when it's the right size, we put it in the oven. Okay, we are 25 minutes further, the bread is already in the oven. It's time to get it out. The maize is finished now, and it's ready to go to the shop.
Bukod sa kanilang mga buns and loaves, available din ang kanilang mga pastries. Sa lahat ng aming ipinakita, talaga namang at any meal of the day, siguradong katatakaman at kabubusugan nating lahat ang tinapay. Para sa homepage, ako si Joanne Chavez.